In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make organic soap for yourself and your family that is so gentle, so mild on your skin. So watch this video to the very end and see how I prepare it and everything. So let's get right into the video. First thing and first, I'm using African black soap, okay? So welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, you're highly welcome. And if you're my returning subscriber, you guys are the best. This one is African black soap, okay? My baby is around, so sorry for that. So this is African black soap, and this is what I'm be needing, the main key thing that we'll be needing in this video. So if I were you, I'll watch this video to the very end, because in this video I'm going to be teaching you everything you need to know. Don't be going to buy soap, okay? Every day you go out there to buy soap for you and your family. Once you get your African black soap like this, the one you are seeing on your screen, all you need to do is to make a soap for yourself and your family. So I don't normally buy soap since I've been into soap making. Any type of thing, my hair shampoo, everything, my conditioner, my bathing soap, I don't buy it anymore. I produce it myself, even liquid soap. So guys, please watch this video to the very end. So I need to divide this. Yes, because there is this old one that I've used before. I'm going to add it together, okay? Every ingredient that I'm going to use in this video is so gentle, is natural, and all of that, okay? This one, you see it under the bowl. Before I add this thing, is my natural ingredients, my honey and other things, okay? So you know what I'm going to do in this video. Watch this video to the end. At I will give you the right measurement. All you need to do is to watch this video to the end. I'm going to give you the right measurement. Is it at the middle of the video or at the end of the video? I don't know yet, but keep watching. Don't come and ask me of the measurement, because I'm going to give you the measurement, everything I use. But if you watch it to the very end, you are going to get it. But if you come to my comment section to ask me about the measurement of the soap, it means you did not watch it to where I said it, or you did not even watch it to the end. But if you watch it to that length that I give you all the measurements and everything, then it means you watch to the very end, or you watch to that point. So continue watching, just relax, watch me how I do it. Yeah, so that is it. I'm just breaking it like that into a smaller pieces, okay, for me to like mash everything together. So there is this first of all, add my first ingredient inside my bowl. Is under the bowl if you watch it closely. So I need to mash it together with the soap. I'll mash it very well. You mix it very well. Make sure you mix and mix till everything is dissolved. Yes, guys. So you can see the way I'm doing it. You continue to mix and mix and mix and mix. Okay, so continue watching. So guys, at this junction, I've mixed everything together, all the dry ingredients, both the wet ingredients. So it is time for me to break it again. Okay, smash it. After smashing it, I'll break it so that it will be so easy for me, because I'm going to leave it till the next day. I don't have time. Okay, I'm making some editing. So after that, I would have not have leave I could not have leave it till the next day, but the thing is that I don't have time, so I'll leave it till the next day so that I can go ahead to do other things. So in this video, I'm using rose water. Okay, this is what I use to mix my soap. This is optional. Okay, it's not compulsory. You can use any water of your choice. It's going to work. But me, I prefer using rose water. And this is it. After I pour it this way, I will cover it and leave it till the next day. You know why I will cover it and leave it till the next day? Because I want it to be very soft, look nice, the texture, the thing will gel very well. That is why I'm leaving it till the next day. And like I said earlier, I would have mixed it after 8 hours or even some hours, but I don't have the time. This is the next day, so you can see how creamy the soap is now. So all I need to do is to gently mash it together again. You can see my soap. Look at it now. The soap, look at it. It's after the next day. So mash it very well. So after mashing it very well, this is the result. The soap is so soft. I love the texture. Yeah. So that is it. Yeah. So I'll give it a very good mix. So guys, this is how I want my own soap to be. Like if I just put small on my sponge, I'm good to go. I don't need to make it watery. You can decide to make your own so watery. Depends on the one you want. But this is how I love my organic soap to be. I don't need that much water, because I don't even use water, it's rose water. So it is time for me to start adding it into my container. You can put it in any container of your choice. Yeah, and you are good to go. Look at it now. Look at it. Look at it. Look at my organic soap. I don't buy organic soap. We use it, like me and my family, we use this. Yeah. So if you've watched this video to the very end, thank you so much. I love you and I will never take your love for granted. Okay, guys, and the measurement is already on your screen. Okay, so that is it. Thank you so much, guys. Oh my god, oh my god, look at my organic soap. And guys, I will use the remaining one. After I pour the remaining one inside this container, it's not even enough. Okay, it still remain. Like, look at it now, it still remain inside my bowl. But I'll use that one. We'll use that one to take our bait. Then the remaining one will look for where to pour it, or to, yes, to pour it. This container, this the organic soap that I bought from someone. I decided to patronize her.